Wagwan viewers and subscribers, Dancehall skilla here again. Big up, respect and manners to each and everyone. Alright, now in this video, I am going to present to you a piece of a video that will be recorded within the country that is known as Guyana. Now this piece of video is going to show some things that happened after a man fired shots from a gun at a certain amount of persons who was at a location within the country that is known as Guyana. Allegedly, it is said that the incident happened because of a land dispute. Yeah, allegedly it is said that the incident happened because of a land dispute between a certain amount of persons, and the dispute escalated to a point where one person had been caught on camera firing shots at a certain amount of persons. Now, the video that I saw gave me the understanding that at least one person had been injured because of the incident. However, and I'm going to say allegedly, it is said that a person who you can hear talking in this video is not the only person who had been injured because of the incident. But I got more than one information as to how many persons had been injured from news articles that I read, viewers and subscribers, and news source about the whole situation. That's what I'm saying to you. And even if some of the case, viewers and subscribers, I don't have specific details about the whole situation, because I got the understanding that there was at least one person throwing objects. So therefore, there might be more about this whole situation than what I know. You understand? Anyways, I'm going to present this piece of video to you so that you can get a good understanding about the situation. And then after I present this piece of video to you, I'm going to talk some more about the whole situation. But I want you to please bear in mind that this video shows blood on part of one of the clothes that someone was wearing because the person had been injured. So before I present this video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Observe.
You're blocking the access and we can't get to work. The banner in lower is Mohammed forward backers. These are Alican's representative and agents. He shot at me. He shot at me. Look, they're hiding in the yard. Look, he's there. Look, he's there. He's shot. My name is Raghubar and I'm standing on our property here in Fairfield. I was just shot at by Mohammed Fawaz Bacchus. Here. These are Ali Penn's agents and representatives. I am the daughter of Mahadi Raghubar. Oh my God, look, my foot is bleeding.
Watch it.
I was shot. I don't know what it is.
Injury that you?
I was shot.
Injury that.
Look, there's blood here. I was shot at by Fawaz Bacchus. I was shot at by Fawaz Bacchus. Mohammed Fawaz Bacchus.
Yes, yes. It notice the amount it's not injured people. You can see nice in a tissue tracker as well.
was shot. I was shot at. Alcan, son-in-law, walked me. Look, they shot our excavator there too. Cat, which one? Caterpillar? I'm scared. Huh? Yeah. No, please not if I'm to lose my life. Huh? Car you want? Everybody is to lose their life here today. Somebody in this house here have a gun. Whether they hide and shoot, whether they're gonna hide and shoot, I don't know. It ringing! I ringing it! He shot us and then he went away. He shot at us and he went away. They disappeared. You find it for? Please don't. My name is Rajkumari Rampa. I have been shot by Fawaz Bakas, Mohammed Bakas. Son-in-law of Alican, Ramsad Alican from Fairfield. Fawaz is from Fairfield, Alican is from Aurora.
Alright, me stop it right there, some people. On a real, there must be a better way to resolve certain situations. Violence, never the answer. Alright, so let me say some more things now. Listen to me. Now, based on more than one news articles that I read, viewers and subscribers, it is said that a person had been taken into police custody for the shooting incident. However, some of the information them in those news articles, they are not exactly the same. So, based on more than one news articles that I read, it is said that more than one guns had been seized by police and the person is said to be a licensed firearm holder, viewers and subscribers. Let me say, allegedly, it is said that on the day of the incident, there was something about something that a certain amount of persons was doing. I'm not sure exactly what, viewers and subscribers. It is said that one heavy machine that was being operated by someone damaged another heavy machine that some people call excavator, viewers and subscribers. And I actually saw a video that shows one heavy machine that was being operated by someone damaging another heavy machine, viewers and subscribers. You understand me? I say, yeah, I actually see a video that I posted on social media about that. You see? So, allegedly, it is said that one machine was blocking. And at some point, the situation escalated to a point where shots had been fired, viewers and subscribers. You understand me? Yeah, so I would call that land dispute that went really horrible. Yeah, I would call that. As a man say, why is it that people can't just talk over them differences? Yes, I mean, say, this is a worldwide thing I talk about, you know. Yes, I mean, say, why? I'm going to tell you. Here's where I'm going to leave it. Big up, respect, and manners to each and everyone. Until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.